Rosalie, makapaglalahad na ba ng ebidensya at testigo ang prosekusyon ngayong araw?
Ella, kinumpirma ng tagapagsalita ng House Prosecution Panel na preliminaries yung isasagawa sa unang araw ng paglilitis kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Ibig sabihin ay magbibigay ng kani-kanyang opening statements yung magkabilang kampo, yung defense at prosecution teams, at re-resolbahin din ng Senate Impeachment Court yung mga nakahaing motion. Nangangahulugan yan na hindi pa makapaglalahad ng kanilang mga ebidensya at testigo ang House Prosecution Team laban kay VP Duterte. Bukas na araw ng Martes at Miyerkules inaasahang makapagsimula sa pagpresenta ng ebidensya at testigo ang House Prosecution Team kaugnay ng Article of Impeachment na grave threats at inciting to sedition. Gagawin naman ng prosekusyon ng lahat ng paraan para maipresenta nila ang unang 3 testigo laban sa pangalawang Pangulo mula July 7 to 8 or Tuesday to Wednesday.
Today, we will not be given an opportunity to present our first witness. No? Of course, we'll abide by that. So, as to whether or not we'll be able to present all 3, again, it will depend on the time that will be given to us this week.
Samantala, bagaman may opsyon si VP Duterte na wag humarap sa impeachment court at katawanin ng kanyang abogado ngayong araw, ay nagpapakita ito ng karakter ng opisyal ayon sa prosekusyon. Kung magiging no-show ito sa paglilitis, handa pa rin ang prosekusyong ipakita matatatag ang kanilang ebidensya laban sa pangalawang Pangulo.
This is a decision that ultimately falls on her, and it's a decision that she will have to explain to the Filipino people as well. But for the prosecution, insofar as we are concerned, our singular focus here will not change, regardless of her appearance. No? We will make sure that we will be able to establish solid evidence, to back the serious allegations against her, regardless of she will be there or not.
Nasaan na po ang readiness na sinabi pong nandoon before at gustong makita at maiharap sa mamamayan para po sa proseso ng pananagutan?
Yung hindi po niya pagpunta, that's a personal decision. But the people will have a different observation together. She does not, from the very start, when she does not feel the process, she would simply brush it off and evade and not attend. To me, personally, this is actually signals the kind of respect that she has for the process.
Kita ng mabilis na paglalahad ng kanilang mga testigo at ebidensya para mapabilis din yung pag-usad nitong proseso ng impeachment trial. Balik sa iyo, Ella.
Maraming salamat, Rosalie Coz.